Bubba.
Hi.
You're on the beach.
Whoa.
Whoa, into the sand we go. Good morning, guys. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Today we are at Balboa and we are gonna do some kayaking.
Yeah.
You wanna go kayaking?
Do you hear the plane?
Whoa, plane. Your favorite thing in the world? Do you wanna go on the water? Look how cool the water looks over there. And you're looking so cute in your little dress.
You are.
And we also got her this infant life vest. Safety first, everyone.
Safety first.
All right, let's go get our kayak, Bug. Come on, let's go. Here's our kayak, Bug. This is gonna be interesting.
I know, we'll see how this goes.
I know, we're gonna try it out. Bug, are you excited? Let's put your life vest on. It's like a very nice day. At where we live, it was like cloudy and cold. Here it's sunny, it's warm, it's not too hot. It's gonna be a good day. Actually, fun fact, I learned how to sail on these waters. So, on these waters, it's actually just a harbor, but this is where I learned how to sail. So I'm pretty familiar with this area. It's gonna be fun. We could do the whole loop. Go all the way around Balboa.
Yeah. Sunscreen is not so fun, is it?
We're boarding the vessel. How you guys feeling?
Get situated here.
June, you ready? Whoa, don't tip too much. She's like, do you guys know how to do this? Not really, Bug, but we'll figure it out on the way. Just kidding, we've kayaked before. Okay, do you think you can take a paddle or no? I'm gonna be doing all the paddling. Ooh, I think that'll be fine. Okay. All right, we're out here on the water. What do you think?
So far, so good. But what do I do when June starts to squirm?
When she starts to squirm, hold on tight. Like she could also like come in the middle between us, but she might go for a dip. All right, should we start exploring? Do you feel comfortable?
So?
Okay, we go this way.
I know this place better than I do.
Whoa. Turn us so we don't tip. I feel like I need a longer paddle. This is so much fun, my love.
So fun.
This is cool.
I'm like afraid to move.
You're afraid to move? Wow, look at this view.
Hi, Bug. Is this so fun? Do you see the birds? Look at the boats. Oh my goodness. You're doing so good. She is sitting so still.
Is she?
Yeah.
Is she liking it or is she kind of scared?
No, I think she's having a great time.
Oh, good.
Are you having fun? Here on the water, you look so peaceful. Yeah?
Meanwhile, Papa's getting the workout. One paddle boat.
Good job. Are your arms burning yet?
Nope, not yet.
Because you're so strong.
I was gonna go to the gym today. I'm glad I didn't.
Uh-oh, big boat, big waves. Here we go. Whee! I always think it's gonna be way worse. You can rent these. Should we rent one?
Yeah, let's do it. I feel like I can sail that.
Wow. Bug, there's another kayaker. That's us. Cool.
I just like to look at all the boats. It's really interesting. Some people I feel like live on them because they have solar panels and stuff. It's cool.
Oh my gosh, you guys, oh my gosh, that was so scary. Okay, it was really, really cool. We're just going calmly through the boats and then all of a sudden,
It attacked us.
the sea lion attacked.
It literally like came straight for us.
It did. It didn't attack us though, but I swear it was gonna come up. It is not coming, right?
Following us, hurry.
It like came right up, right towards us, and then we had to like go super fast away. And I thought it was gonna jump on us and tip us and attack us. My heart is racing. Did you see that, Bug? Did you see the sea lion? Yeah, it came right up, right in front of us. I don't think I've ever been that close to one, especially in the water. That was pretty crazy.
We made it, my love. Woo, went all the way around an island.
How are your arms?
Feels great. They feel great. I just paddled around that whole thing. Woo. Bug, was that so much fun?
You did so good.
She stayed still?
Yeah.
The whole time?
Yeah.
What do you see over there? Oh, you see a pup. All right, on to our next Memorial Day adventure.
Okay.
Woo!
Woo, good job, Bug.
I love you.
You did so good.
All right, you guys, so we're moving on to our next activity. We're at the Balboa Fun Zone, and Aunt Bree and Aunt Tina are here with little Bug. They're back there. Hi, guys. But yeah, we really want to ride the Ferris wheel. What do you think?
I want to ride the Ferris wheel, and I want to get some really cute pictures of June.
Aww.
June, look.
There it is. But unfortunately, you have to be 2. Bug, you have to be 2 years old.
Aww.
Aww. That's okay. We'll get you let's get you a lollipop. You're scared, Bug? We're on the ferry. Oh. We're gonna go over to Balboa Island. Yay! She's like, what are you doing? Wow, Bug.
And at first I put her down and she looks at me with all 4 limbs.
Is this so cool? Oh, I know exactly what I want to get you, Bug. What do you guys think? What size should I get for June? The big one, medium, or small?
Wow.
Is that the one you want, Bug? Whoa. Whoa. I think that one's too big.
Yeah.
We got to go a size under. Whoa. What is this? That's licorice swirl. Do you like licorice? Okay. Thank you. She has to make sure everyone gets a piece. Thank you. Just get that one. We'll give it to her later. She really likes the saltwater taffy.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, Bug. Ready for your first lolly? Doesn't like it? Yum. No? You are so funny, Bug.
No. You hold it so that you can get some cute pictures? I know. Hold it, smile.
It'll look cute. Okay, so since June doesn't like the lollipop, I will lick the lollipop and walk on the sidewalk like a grown man having fun in the sun with a rainbow lolly.
Look at how cute.
Whoa!
You wanted to wait for the perfect scene.
I know. Someone got into the sucker real fast.
You needed Papa to break it in.
I know. You wanted to just be on the ferry and enjoy your sucker. Does she keep going? Mm.
Yeah, she keeps looking at me.
Is that numb? Numb.
Look at your color.
You want to go swimming? Look at your.
Give me that lollipop.
I know. Oh, don't throw your Cheerios over. That was a close one. Yep, pretty sure I got sunburned. All right there. Ooh, that's gonna hurt. Yeah.
Did I?
No, you just have rosy cheeks. We had so much fun today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys all tomorrow. Be where your feet are.